Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Claude AI when it's not responding, freezing, or getting stuck loading. Let's get started. First, refresh the Claude page. Sometimes a simple refresh fixes temporary browser or connection issues. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. If you're using Wi-Fi, try reconnecting or switch to another network. Now, clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can prevent Claude from loading or responding properly. If that doesn't help, temporarily disable your browser extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy extensions, as they can interfere with Claude AI. Next, try opening Claude in a different browser, such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Mozilla Firefox. You can also test Claude on another device to check if the issue is device-specific. If you're working in a very long conversation, start a new chat. Large chats can sometimes slow Claude down or cause it to stop responding. Another important step is to check Claude's server status. If the service is experiencing an outage or maintenance, you'll need to wait until it's back online. Finally, if none of these solutions work, contact Claude support. Include your browser name, screenshots, and any error messages to help them diagnose the problem faster. And that's it. That's how you fix Claude AI when it's not responding or stuck loading. If this video helped you out, leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.